You are placed on summary, that's informal probation, for 36 months on the following terms and conditions. You are to perform 16 hours of community service. I'm blanking again. What was it? Mending children.
Mending, Kids International.
All right, at Mending Kids International. You are to complete that by June 9, 2011, and show proof in this court. You are to enroll in, within the next 21 days, and complete a domestic violence counseling program, and that's a 52-week program. You may continue with the program you're already attending, and you are to provide proof to this court, a progress report, also on June 9, 2011. You must pay a $400 domestic violence fine. That's also to be paid in this court by June 9, 2011. The counseling program is to be completed by March 30, 2012. You are not to annoy, harass, or molest anyone involved in this case. You are not to threaten anyone. You're not to use force or violence against anyone. You are served today with a copy of a protective order, and you're to obey all orders in that protective order, all the terms of it. You are to, people, we don't know if there's any restitution amount, but if there is, you're to make restitution to the complaining witness. You are entitled to a hearing. If there's an issue about how much money is owed, you can have a hearing before this court. And Ms. Blair, I understand, Ms. Burkham, I understand he's denying liability for purposes of this hearing.
He is indeed, Your Honor.
Okay. You are to pay a $100 restitution fine to the State Victims Restitution Fund, a $40 court security fine, a $30 criminal conviction fine. Those are all to be paid by June 9, 2011. You are to report for booking at a police agency, and there's a number of different ones you could report to. Your attorney will have a list. You're to do that within 1 week and mail in proof to this court that it's been done. People, was there anything else?
Your Honor, there is the stay-away order, the protective order that the people have requested the court issue, and just...
I already made reference to that, and that he's being served with that today.
Okay. And then my only other question is, we talked about the counseling program. That counseling is going to require a minimum of 1 year from today's date, in addition to the domestic violence counseling.
Oh, another psychological counseling program.
Correct, the mental health counseling.
I'm sorry. There is another counseling program?
Should we approach?
The agreement of the people was that Mr. Gibson would continue with his treating doctor. Is that the agreement of the people? We do not need to approach.
Okay. You continue the treatment that you have already on your own undertaken?
Yes.
Okay. And also the court would need him to sign a waiver of confidentiality with the treating doctor so that the court can receive reports.
Yes, and as we discussed with the court, I
Yes.
think we have a proper procedure in place.
We do.
Thank you.
All right. Now, Mr. Gibson, do you understand and accept all these terms and conditions of probation?
I do.
All right. Well, that will be the court's order. Again, June 9 for the payments of the fine, the proof of enrollment and or progress in the program to be completed by March 30th, and I'm sorry, yeah, March 30th, 2012. All right. And does the bailiff have a copy of the protective order? I have it. I'm sorry. The court is signing the protective order.
Like I ever did.
Thank you. And the booking form also. Thank you, everybody.
Thanks, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor, and thank you for the court's accommodation.